kettlebell deadlift. Kettlebell deadlift is an excellent exercise just on its own, builds a lot of great attributes, and in this case really helps us and guides us into recruiting what we need to perform a successful kettlebell swing. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it a little bit. Once again, easier for me to show you from a side angle. So we bring our bell here. The difference here is instead of towing the line that we would on a kettlebell and then aiming backwards, we actually want to think about placing the kettlebell directly in between our midfoot, okay? So let's say this would be your midfoot here. Kettlebell is right in between when we're performing the deadlift. Everything else is very similar, okay? We want to hinge back at the hips, and all we're trying to do here is just grab onto the bell and lift up, tightening our glutes, getting nice and tall, aiming that momentum up, not so much out, okay? So let's give it a try. We're gonna hinge back with the hips, shins are parallel, bell is in between at our midfoot. We're gonna once again roll our shoulders back and down, making sure that they're packed, activating our core. We're gonna inhale, and then we're gonna exhale, going upwards, and just utilizing our glutes, really tightening our glutes, tightening our core to make this happen. So I'm gonna inhale and exhale up. Tightening the glutes. Reverse that, coming back down. Inhale, exhale up. Squeezing the glutes. Okay, you notice I'm not pulling up with my arms. You wanna make sure that they're locked out, or just at least suspending or being held down by the weight of the bell. You don't wanna bring this up here because a lot of funky things will happen to your elbows if you start getting used to that, okay? Inhale, exhale up, tighten glutes, exhale down, inhale, exhale up. And we're trying to place it down exactly where we picked it up, right between the midfoot and both of your feet. Tightening the glutes, protecting your lower back. And once again, great exercise, and both on its own and aiding you in getting the kettlebell swing.